Hello, welcome back to A&R Review. Today I'm reviewing Rifle Coffee. This is the new thing. You put ice in a cup. See, like that? Ice in a cup. And then you use 4 ounces of this, and then 4 ounces of water, and it makes 8 cups out of this. This was, I believe, like about $9 at Walmart. It is new. It's Rifle Company's been out for a while. I watch a YouTuber, Donut Operator. His girlfriend, I believe, works for them, and they're friends with Black Rifle Company, Coffee Company. It is veteran owned, and a lot of their proceeds goes to veterans. So again, I used to not be a coffee drinker at all, but here recently I love caramel macchiatos. I like cold brew. So this is a cold brew. And this one is the flavor pumpkin spice. Not for sure if you can see it. They have different flavors. I just got the pumpkin spice. Again, cup of ice. And then I'm going to put 4 ounces. Yep. I got my little measuring thing here. 4 ounces of the coffee. Let me see what it smells like. It smells good. Strong. So I got 4 ounces of Black Rifle coffee. Put that in there. Again, this container makes 8 cups. 8 cups of coffee. Then let me get some water here. 4 ounces of water. Hold on one second. Oop, that's a little bit too much. There we go. 4 ounces of water. Now, I'm going to try this without creamer or sugar or anything like that. Again, I usually like my coffee really sweet. So I'm going to grab a straw and stir it up a little bit. It's good, but I need sugar in mine. Yep. Yeah. Cold brew pumpkin spice, Black Rifle Company. I got this. This makes 8 cups. So if I do it just like this, it's only 25 calories, but I'm gonna add sugar to mine. Again, veteran owned. So that, I like supporting veterans. We have a lot of veterans in our family. So, yeah, I like supporting veterans. So, I'm going to give this a 6 out of 10, just because I'm going to add sugar to it. That's probably going to make it an 8 out of 10 then. I mean, it's a little expensive. I use their regular coffee as well. That comes like in I think it's already ground it up. It comes in a bag. So I like that. Again, me personally, I use a lot of sugar, a lot of creamer, a little bit of coffee. But you know what? Actually, you know what? This is good. Like, I'll still drink it. It's just not as sweet as I like it. And I like a lot of sweet stuff, so. You know what? Maybe I should get a 7. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Add some sugar, and it's going to be an 8 or 9 out of 10. So what is your view on my review? Thank you for stopping in. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, hit the like button, and tell me what kind of coffee you like. Do you like yours sweet, or do you like it stronger? What kind of coffee do you drink? Thanks for stopping in. Bye.